You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this street in Paris. If you want to learn more confusing street names, make sure to stay tuned. So, rue is how you say street. Du Faubourg, Faubourg with a silent G. Saint-Honoré, the H is silent, and you do pronounce the T at the end of Saint because it is followed by an O sound. So Saint-Honoré, so you make a bit of a liaison. So you link up the T with the following letter. Faubourg Saint-Honoré, Rue du Faubourg Saint-Honoré, or in English you could say it as Faubourg Saint-Honoré. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.